Hey there, tea enthusiasts and wellness seekers. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of cinnamon tea and uncovering 5 compelling reasons why making it a daily ritual can transform your health. But before we spill the cinnamon-infused secrets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our holistic health insights. Let's steep into the goodness of cinnamon tea. Cinnamon, an ancient spice once as valuable as gold, has a rich history and is renowned for its healing properties. Traditional medicinal uses have now found support in modern scientific research, confirming the positive impact of cinnamon on health. This spice has demonstrated the ability to regulate blood sugar levels, lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, combat infections, and enhance brain activity. Additionally, it has been known to alleviate menstrual issues and aid in overall well-being. Recipe for regulating blood sugar and fat levels. Ingredients: 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 pack of cloves, Eugenia caryophyllata, 1.5 liters of water. Instructions: 1. Place the cinnamon sticks and cloves in a container with 1.5 liters of water. 2. Seal the container well and refrigerate for 4 to 5 days. 3. After 5 days, drink 100 milliliters of this infused water every morning on an empty stomach. 4. Repeat this process for 4 days, then take a 15-day break. Recipe for lowering blood cholesterol levels. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 450 milliliters of warm tea. Instructions: 1. Mix honey and cinnamon powder in 450 milliliters of warm tea using a wooden or plastic spoon. 2. Consume this tea 3 times a day to reduce cholesterol levels by 10% within 2 hours. Effectiveness of cinnamon for blood sugar and glucose improvement. Cinnamon stands out as the most effective among 50 tested natural ingredients in promoting healthy glucose metabolism. The active ingredient, hydroxycalcone, enhances insulin sensitivity, facilitating glucose delivery into cells for storage and utilization. Furthermore, cinnamon inhibits an enzyme that deactivates insulin receptors, improving the cell's ability to utilize circulating glucose. 5 ways cinnamon can benefit health. 1. Enhanced blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon can increase glucose metabolism by around 20-fold, significantly improving blood sugar control. 2. Insulin-like effects. The bioactive compound in cinnamon gives it insulin-like effects, positioning it as a potential insulin substitute. 3. Improved insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon slows stomach emptying, reducing sharp rises in blood sugar after meals, and enhances insulin effectiveness and sensitivity. For antioxidant boost, polyphenol in cinnamon act as insulin sensitizers and antioxidants, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with impaired fasting glucose and those who are overweight. 5. The fat cell insulin signaling modification. Proanthocyanidin, a bioflavonoid in cinnamon, may modify insulin signaling activity in fat cells, contributing to the reduction of belly fat. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can bring about notable health improvements, supporting overall well-being and vitality. There you have it, tea lovers. 5 compelling reasons to incorporate cinnamon tea into your daily routine. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our exploration into the benefits of cinnamon tea, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tea enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more delightful content.